Hi, this is Dell3524 here, and we're going to do a how-to video on installing the graphics card on the Dell Optiplex GX280. This is a requested video. So, what you want to do is make sure that your machine will handle the card that you're going to use. This is the Nvidia 8400GS, 1 gig of DDR3. This is a PCI card. I know the GX280 supports that. The 60, 70, and 40 will do AGP. But make sure for the PCI card for this is low profile, otherwise it's not going to fit in the computer. So what you want to do is, there's these two tabs on the side, one here and one here. You want to push both of those tabs and lift up, and it'll open the case. Once you are inside, you're going to see all this. You want to look for the PCI slot, which is right here. There was a thing blocking that. I took that out. All you got to do, if that is still in there for you, all you got to do is lean forward and push up at the same time, and this thing will pop right out, and then you can take the thing right out of that. But, well, actually, I'll leave it out for right now. You want to take your card here, and you're going to line it up like this. Alright, as you can see from right here, on the card, there is that space like that that's missing, the second one. That will line up with that right there. So all you got to do is line it up with that right there. It should just slide right in. And then line the pins up with the slot, and then use two fingers and push down until it clicks in. And then you're going to take this and just put it back down. And then that will leave it secure in there. If you want, you can screw a little screw in there to keep it in place. And then what you'll do is this one is a HDMI DVI. So what you'll want to do is take your VGA cord out, or if you have one with VGA, you won't put it in there, you'll put it in here, and then you'll have to install the driver. I will leave the driver link for this graphics card in the description below. Alright, that is how to install the graphics card on the Dell Optiplex GX280. Any comments, questions below.